This one is about using the gizmo to scale. So I've got a plane here which is just for keeping consistent measurement. 2 meters each side, as is this right now. And 1, control and 1. And I repeat that because that's something I think I might forget. Having done that though, I need to, as we've seen in another video, I do need to apply it. And then when I go into ZW now, there it is, there's a wireframe and all those sides are in place. Let's go back to solid. So in doing that subdivision, then sure, it's reduced the height of this a bit. But right now it's uniform. 1.68 all round. Now with the gizmo, so I've got the gizmo on at the moment for scale. And if I click anywhere but not on any of the blue, the red, etc., then that is going to scale uniformly. If you look at dimensions, that's what it's doing. Okay, that's good. And as we already know, if I click on the scale of blue, then that'll increase it in the z-axis, but not in any of the others. So there we see X and Y on the right staying the same, so that's great. If I want to, let's get roughly the same again. If I want to do all the axes but not the z-axis, i.e. I want to touch the XY but not the Z, then I have to click this one, the kind of slightly less bold blue. So that expands, as you can see on the right there, that expands uniformly on the X and the Y. And I won't go through the others, but it's the same principle for those as well. So yeah, that's quite useful to me. Good to know that.